In my last blog post, I promised I'd show you how we created that interesting word jumble, and I'm here to do that now. Go to the website. It's wordle.net, WORDLE.net, and you'll find there's all sorts of great tools there to create your own. You'll see also some people have demonstrated what they've done, but we're interested in create your own. So I'm going to click that button now, and in order to do that, basically all it's looking for is some text, and it can be capitals or not capitals. Separate them with a comma. The word that you want to be the largest should be repeated several times, and then we can just create whatever else we'd like to have in there. Maybe we'd like to write edit, copy, I don't know, add text, duplicate, filter. And we'll just use those as an example for right now. And then we just type go. And you'll see that Wordle has created somewhat of a jumble there. Maybe we like that, maybe we don't. But what we can do now is go down to the randomize feature, and Wordle will just start rearranging the text and in colors, black and white. Basically, we just click around until we find one that we like. A little too spaced out. Don't really like that one. That one's interesting. A little too yellow. Let's go with this one. So now we've got our basic text here, and let's see what else can we do with that. Oh, you can go in and those things here, we can change the font if we want. We can change the layouts, rounder edges, straighter edges, any which way. You can make it mostly horizontal, half and half, mostly vertical, all vertical. We can change the color scheme. We can have black and white. We can have a black background, white background. We can create our own custom palette. We can tell it how much of a variation in colors we want to have. Basically, you can customize this to whatever you want it to be. But for now, I'm just going to leave it this way. And when we're completely finished, in order to make this useful for us in a Photoshop way, what we need to do is go in here and print this and turn it into a PDF document that we can open with Photoshop. So we're just going to let that go to the printer. Say always. Okay, now that would go to my normal printer, but we need a PDF converter, and I use Qt PDF. It's free. You can Google it. Google just Qt PDF writer, and it will come up. It's a free download, and then basically you can convert any text document or anything that's on your screen to a PDF document. So I'm going to go with the writer, say OK. Yeah, we'll just say OK again. Say OK again. That's going to be annoying. Just go away. OK. Always allow. Let's try that. OK. And then we're going to give it a name. Let's just call it Photoshop Jumble. Okay, and we're going to save it to the desktop so I can find it later. Which save. Okay, now we've done that. I'm just going to get rid of this now. And I'm going to go to Photoshop Jumble, open with Photoshop. Okay, we've opened the Photoshop word jumble into our program. And now I'm just going to rotate that image, rotate canvas clockwise. So now we got it printing like that. So that's the way we saw it. And now all we have to do is get our layers up on the screen here. There we go. Okay, and I'm just going to duplicate that layer just to have it, and go in and take my magic wand, hit the background. So now I've highlighted all the letters that are in there, but actually I've outline the outside, so I'm going to go to Select, Inverse. Now I've selected the actual letters themselves, and I'm going to go to Layer, New, Layer Via Copy. Okay, now we've got all the layers on, or all the letters on their own layer, and if I come back in here, and I'm just going to use Control, New Layer, that'll put a new layer under my existing layer, and I can come in with some white paint and just plop that on there, and you'll see that I've got all my letters neatly on a thing. And since it came from a PDF document, it's completely scalable, so that means I can go to Edit, Free Transform. I can use a scale. Hold down the Shift key to keep it in proportion, and I can make those letters any size I want. I can get rid of the background if I want to. Just keep that. Okay, so get rid of the background. Now I can import that into any type of picture or document that I want to. And I've got my word jumble all done. Simple word jumbles that you can use in Photoshop, created with Wordle. And thanks for tuning in.